Finally, 1000 plus subscribers on my YouTube. Yet, support is not a number, it's an action. I have 1000 plus subscribers on my YouTube channel, but you know what? I'm here to share something with you all. This is not a pity post or my frustration, but a message for all my marked friends or family ties. Mostly for those real legends who saw me grow. My true supporters, your watch time is my fuel and I see you. We grow together as you have acknowledged my extended commitments. Being a chef and making videos that includes spending ample amount of time buying resources to make dishes, filming and editing videos till late night. But to the quiet sleepy people, what can I say? Pretend to be my friend and my supporters who says we got you bro. Your silence speaks louder than your words. How? Come on, 1 second of watch time and you scroll so quickly and you observe my tiny success with jealousy. Admit it. And you know what? Do not just support when it's trending. Support now when I'm trying. For those who feel this video, one view, one soul at a time. True supporters who I might not know personally, it's about you. Who stayed from the beginning of my journey. Who actually watched my content and smiled even when I post silly videos and shared without being asked. Comment from the heart, and most importantly, you believed in my passion, not in my numbers. You are rare, you are real, you motivate me to grow. Thank you to the real ones. Like, share, comment, subscribe, or just remember, I will keep going even when no one is watching. Thank you.